Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Siti from class 2C. Now I will presentation for assignment in final examination language material evaluation and development. When English rings a bell for grade 8 junior high school. Table of contents. The first chapter, it's English time. In chapter 1, the teacher will discuss asking and giving attention, where students will learn how to express asking attention, checking understanding, and asking to express opinions. The second chapter, we can do it and we will do it. This chapter discusses stating capability and willingness. The third chapter, we know what to do. This chapter discusses giving suggestion and obligation. The fourth chapter, Come to My Birthday Please. In this chapter, discuss about giving invitation, instruction, or imperative, asking and giving permissions. The next chapter, I'm so happy for you. In this chapter, the student will learn about greeting card. The last chapter, Our Busy Roads. In this chapter, student will learn there is and there are. When English Rings a Bell is a textbook for English subject for 7th and 8th grade junior high school. This book is a book published by the Ministry of Education and Culture in line with the implementation of the 2013 curriculum, the government responsibility in carrying out the consequences as the Thursday of National Education System Law number 20 of 2003, which states that learning is a process of participant interaction, learn with educators and learning resources in a learning environment. So it is clear that when learning English is being carried out in places other than teachers and students, there must be source learn it. Textbooks are one of the most effective learning resources used in the classroom. According to the book Teacher Guide, when English Rings a Bell learning resource are all people, material, data, and message that are in the surrounding environment. Student whose function is to optimize learning process and outcome to achieve the competencies, attitude, knowledge, and skill that have been determined. And the next semester, students will learn about simple present tense, present continuous tense, degree of comparison, simple past tense, recount text, and how to make short message. In semester 2, students will learn tenses. Tenses is a method of grammar in English which is based on verbs. Tenses are usually used to indicate the time or state of an action at the time a sentence is spoken. According to the Oxford Learner Pocket Dictionary 4th edition, tenses are verb forms that show the time of the action state. So people who want to talk about an activity in English using verb need to pay attention to context of time or the context of situation, complete or not, when the activity is carried out. And then degree of comparison. Comparison degree is a term of English grammar to show comparison. In comparison degree, an adjective or an adverb will change its form according to the level comparison. Therefore, the comparison degree can also be referred to as comparison degree. And then student will learn recount text. Recount text is the type of text in English that contains the story of an action or activity, the author, or the characters in the story. The activity or action in question is the experience out of the author express thought recount text. Usually, the purpose of recount text is to entertain the reader as well as provide information. And the last, student will learn how to make short message. Based on the name, short message is the message is writing briefly but clearly. The length of the message is no more than one paragraph. In writing a short message example, there is no opening or closing a long and rambling message, but straight to the point. However, writing short message must be clear who the recipient of the message and the information or instruction conveyed. Okay, I think enough. Correct me if I'm wrong. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.